All right, welcome back to part 3 of how much does it cost to open a restaurant. If you follow me, I'll show you the progress in the restaurant here. Let's start in the kitchen. We haven't cleaned yet because it's not time. We changed some wiring from the electric boxes all the way in the back to the front here because it was a little bit outdated. We also ran, if you look up in the corner here, you see this is 3.5 millimeter 380 volt because of my pizza oven. And if you come around here, this is all gonna go, by the way. Don't worry about the dirt. We're just doing the hardcore stuff first. If you look on the floor here, we redid all the piping because in this room here, it's going to be the dishwashing section here. And that also takes a lot of power. You don't need to go there, just follow me. Other progress in the restaurant. As you can see, we stripped all the walls of the stickers that they had before. And the power I was telling you about is a wire like this here. It's a chunk. It's quite expensive actually. And we ran it all the way from the back of the restaurant, all the way through here in the ceiling to go in the kitchen there. There's still work to be done on the walls. We have to repatch all the walls. If you follow me, this is probably the only refrigerator I'm gonna buy. This is for the bar. I think I paid $600 for this thing here. It's almost new. I didn't buy brand new because why pay double the money when you can pay half the money? Just make sure if you buy a refrigerator, there are compressors and there's new technology, there's old technology. It will affect your bill, electricity bill. And also, if they're old, they're gonna break, and to replace a compressor is like $200-300. So anyway, follow me, there is more here. As you can see, we're custom building the bar here. It's quite a large bar. And again, we had to do the electricity. We're gonna have 2 beer fridges here. And we're gonna have like a lot of 220 and 140 like for a milkshake machine. There's more electricity here, and the entire bar also is gonna have electricity in it. And like I said, we're custom building. He finished the cabinets on this side. We're gonna finish this, I think, this week, early this week, and then we can move on to something else. I'm happy with the space we got here. I used the same guy for a long time. By the way, if you want to save money, here's how this is restaurant number 11, so this is how I operate. Usually, I am the designer, I'm also the general contractor, and I just hire people to do jobs for me. I don't just let a guy run everything, because why pay a cut to that guy? And I've done this so many times that why pay extra money? Generally speaking, the general contractor will make sure that everything is done at the end, but he'll take maybe a 20-30% extra on top of it, and we're on a budget, so we're not gonna do that. Like I was saying, I still didn't get a quote from the painter. I've got a quote from all the stickers. And if I don't want to paint, I want to just put like stickers on the wall like it was before, but in a good taste. The quote was about $4,000 to do the entire thing. I think painting is about that, the same $3,000-4,000. I have a quote this week. The same thing we did upstairs. We just removed everything, all the stickers on the wall, and there's a bit more work to do there. If you follow me on this side here, more electricity work that we're gonna do is take off those lamps up there, and we're gonna remove the counter up here, and I think that we're pretty much there for that. I still have to run some lines I've got speakers set up for the second floor. It's gonna run on 2 amps. I'll make a video on that, how I do it. But there's still like some wiring to be done, and reinstall all the monitors and the cameras in the place as well, so a little bit more wiring to be done. So that's the upgrade for now. I spent $600 on the refrigerator, so that's going to come out of my budget. And as you can see here, that's where we are at right now. So I'll catch you in the next update. See you later.